Wikidonist.com. Truth about tooth.
Any treatment can fail. Today we are going to talk about failures in aligner therapy, because aligners also can fail because it's a treatment. It has been done by a person and it is done on a human being, and that can be failures. So watch my video to understand about the failures in aligners. So please subscribe my channels, and I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental at Marine Drive, Cochin in Kerala. I have been doing a lot of aligner cases, and we also have aligner failures. And what are the reasons for failures and how we can avoid failures also will be covered in this topic. So, what are the failures? One, failure to plan. Two planning is there, two individuals are there, the doctor and the patient is there. So, one is to plan for the aligner therapy. The first planning is from the patient, wherein the patient has to give us assurance that he will wear the aligners in the right time, the right prescribed time, that is, it has to be worn in sequences. So, it has to be each aligner will be worn for a week or 15 days. So, in Invisalign we give it at 7 days, and in clear aligners we go up to 15 days. Every 15th day you change. So, it is worn in sequence. So, they have to wear it for that specified time, and every day he has to wear it for more than 20 hours. That means that he should not remove this thing unless he is eating or he is brushing. But he cannot say that I am eating all the time. So, that does not help you at all. So, all these things has to be planned before itself. He has to be ready to be disciplined to wear the aligner and change the aligner during 15th day interval or the 7th day interval. So, that is the first thing. The plan for the doctor. The doctor has to plan exactly how many millimeters has been moved, and it has to be discussed with the patient, and then only he has to, and it has to be shown on a simulation video to the patient, make him understand that this is the movement which we are planning. Unless we plan, if you, as somebody told, failure to plan is planning to fail, or failing to plan is planning to fail. So, please plan before we go in for the specified treatments. Please do not extract before we do the planning. Please do not trim the tooth before we plan. So, please plan it, decide it, and then only go in for the treatment. Otherwise, there will be spaces left behind, there will be difficulties in movements and things like that. So, please understand that, please show the plan to the patient, and then the patient also has to see the plan. No, do not say that okay, the doctor is an expert, so let him decide. No, this can be seen. So, please see it, how the tooth moves, how this thing, ask the doctor the questions, and then we will finalize the treatment plan. Once the treatment plan is finalized, stick on to the treatment plan. Please wear the aligners in the right thing, otherwise you will end up with failures. Then the major issue, the cost. Please understand that the cost can be, whether the cost is to be paid in full, whether it has to be, there is any EMIs, whether there are any charges for the peripheral treatments like slenderization, if there is a cost, the extraction there is a cost, if there is a cost for all these procedures after the aligners, is there a cost for retention, is there a cost for cleaning during the aligner therapy, is there a cost for coming in between and having a consultation in between. All these things has to be very clearly this thing, otherwise you will be not happy with the doctor, then you will once again fail, because if you are not happy with the doctor, you will not be asking questions to the doctor, you will not be following, the doctor will not be following it up with you, because he is also not happy with you. So, you will lose the aligner treatment and you will lose the whole game. So, that is the thing. Then the last one is actually retention. Even if you do the best of the aligner treatment, if you have not planned for a retention, if the doctor has not planned for retention, if the protocol is not good, then also we will have to, with the treatment can become a failure. So, please understand that a retention protocol is there for each and every treatment in aligners. So, you please ask your doctor what is your retention protocol, what is the frequent visits which is required, what is the how many aligners or refinement is required. All these questions has to be asked before the treatment plan, and the doctor has to clearly explain if there is a refinement, what is going to be the cause. If there is a retention plan, what are the plan of retention, that is whether there is a fixed retainer, whether it is a clear retainer. All these questions has to be asked, and that has to be addressed before the plan is also. That is the total plan. So, once the plan is there, ready, it is there. If you are not wearing the aligners for due to some reason, you have to inform the doctor. Otherwise, even if you lose one aligner, then also it can become a failure. So, all these things has to be discussed with the doctor then and there itself. Otherwise, what happens is you will think that okay, it is actually worn for 1 or 2 weeks, so I can do that thing. Sometimes it breaks once in a while. If the aligner breaks, then you have to inform the doctor, because if one aligner breaks, you can actually ask for that aligner to be printed once again and given to you. Otherwise, what happens is if the aligner breaks and if you don't inform the doctor, that tooth will not move. Once the tooth doesn't move, and if you change to the next aligner, that aligner also can break. So, all these things are possibilities of failures. Please make sure that you inform the doctor if there is a breakage, if there is a loss of aligner, if you have misplaced the aligners. All these things has to be told to the doctor, so that you will get a good idea. If you are a person who the doctor has already told you have to come in these intervals, please go to the doctor and get it done. Please don't make confusions of not wearing it and things like that. You have to wear it according to the listing, otherwise you will have to face the failure situation. So, all these things will avoid all these failures. Please make sure that you wear it, and you can do a great aligner therapy, and tooth can look much better. It can actually chew much better with aligner therapy. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Thomas Nechupadam from Nechupadam Dental. Please subscribe my videos. Please press the bell button. Please wait for the next video. The next video will be on types of aligners. Please watch within 2 or 3 days. It will come on this thing. Please put that bell button. You will get the notification. So, please watch the types of aligners, so that you understand what are the types of aligners which are available for this thing. Thank you very much.
Wikidonist.com